Boom. Welcome back to another episode, Fisher Yin. Today I'm back at the Appomattox once again. Yes, I know I've been out here like way much more than I've expected to, but I'm here with both Ethan and Nathan today. And Nathan has never fished here. Ethan's fished here once with me in the last video, but the current is much better than Saturday, last time we fished here, so I'm gonna start throwing some topwater, so enjoy. All right. Oh, dude, we got one. No way, he just hit. I didn't expect him to hit yet. All right, come on, buddy. What is this? Oh, that's a largemouth. All right, come here. Wait. Ugh.
Tiny largemouth.
Yeah. First fish of the day, though. I didn't even see him eat it.
Wait, that could be a spot.
Wait, it is a spot. Look at the eyes.
Hold up, how is the jaw? The eyes are red.
Dude, Nate, I need help identifying this guy.
Might be a spot.
No way. All right. Wait a second. Like, look at the eyes on this guy.
I thought our line is looking kind of weird. It doesn't have
What?
That's the thing, he's got a really sharp lateral line.
Yeah. Is this a spotted bass? Well, first fish of the day. This might be a spotted bass because if you look at the eyes, it's red. I've never caught a spotted bass, so I don't really know what they look like, but this might be a new species for me. So, it's so epic. All right, let's get some pictures and let him go. All right, thanks for biting, buddy. Ah, you've been epic. Sweet. How cool is that? Okay. What? Oh, Nate's on. Oh, dude. Nice. Oh, wait. What is that? That's a fall fish. Nice. Yeah, they're in here.
Epic.
They're biting.
That's literally a pound.
Are they slimy, Ryan?
Yes, they are.
They're a big creature.
Here, hold on.
Can I lift them?
No. You can try, but they're too hard to lift.
Probably not impossible to lift.
Caught on my big fly.
Oh, no. It's okay. You drop them. They're just that slippery.
They are so slippery. They're like trout.
So what should I be fishing?
Dude, that's sick. Nice job, Nate.
Yeah, it's my first fish on this big fly here, on this big articulated fly.
Sweet.
Yeah.
You caught him right in the current?
He's right off the bank.
Nice. All right. You can try that if you want. Fish. Okay. That's probably one of my biggest ones. But yeah. Come on, buddy. Actually, I'm gonna keep this guy.
Okay.
I need to bonk him in the head with something. I need a big stick. Yep. All right, this should be good. We're gonna put him out of his pain. All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, he's dead.
You sure?
Yeah, he should be. Yeah, he's dead.
He's gone. Okay.
He gone. All right, there we go. Well, the good thing is this water is cold and I'm gonna bleed him out.
Oh my gosh, he hit it right in front of my face. I saw the lure come up, saw his face, he hit it.
That's big.
Set the hook. Holy smokes.
Crawfish. Let's toss him. Look at those eyes. Doesn't he look friendly? Oh, no way. Got him. Oh, no. That was a smallmouth. He's there. He's there. No. I missed him. That was a big one. How did I not hook him? Are you serious? He was there at my feet too. Well, I think that's enough for today. Hope you guys really enjoyed this episode. We didn't catch the quantity of fish that we really intended to. However, I did manage to pull out a spotted bass, my first one, a new species from this river. So that was pretty awesome. But as fall progresses, I think we're gonna come back for more fish in here. So don't worry, we will catch those smallmouth. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next episode. Fishy in.